Thank you, CurlsQueen, for partnering with me in today's video. Welcome back, everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I was able to achieve this bomb look using CurlsQueen's clip-ins. So without further ado, let's get into all of the juicy details. So this is an 18-inch in light yaki, and these are the clip-in extensions, and you guys, the hair is so thick. It's perfect. The wefts are good, the clips are intact. It's just a really good bundle, and you don't need extra. Honestly, you really don't need extra, and they give you enough to fill your head. So this is the bag that the clip-ins came in, and you guys, it's awesome to have a bag to put your clip-ins in, and they also included thread and clips for you to replace if the clips get messed up. I think that was awesome and very thoughtful. And then they also threw in a bonnet. Oh, y'all saved my life because I needed a new bonnet. So this is the bonnet that it came with. Alright, you guys, I'm starting off with my hair. It's just in the clip, and I'm going to be doing a side part this time. And so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start from the bottom and work my way to the top. So I do have a tutorial on how I install clip-ins, so I will link that in the iCards and in the description box because this is not a tutorial, but you are going to make sure that you work your way from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. It's easier to blend when you start from the bottom and work your way to the top, but please make sure that when you are adding in your clip-ins that you are spacing them out enough so that way that it can have like a seamless blend. I have been using these clip-ins for weeks now, and I wear them every single day. So I have been experimenting with the clip-ins, different styles, middle part, side part, a ponytail, a bun. I've done so many things with these clips, and this is kind of how the back looks. Definitely not perfect, but I feel like if you're good with parting your hair, you could probably do 10 times better than me, but I still get the job done. I actually got my hair done at a shop, and she installed the clip-ins for me, which I will insert a clip later on in the video so you guys can see how she styled it versus me styling it at home. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up off camera, and I will be back with all the clip-ins installed. And voila, you guys, we are back with all the clip-ins installed in our head, and I think I did a pretty darn good job. Obviously, the front of my hair is a little bit short, and that's where all the heat damage is, and the back. Going into the back is where I got all the heat damage and all the breakage. So this is the best that I could do as far as a blend. So let's go ahead and get dressed, do our makeup, and style our hair. And this is the final result. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. So first things first, I want to kind of just give you guys the rundown and my thoughts about these clip-ins, because you guys know I am going to give you my honest opinion and if I like them, if I don't, and how the clip-ins have been holding up since I've had them. So I've had them actually for probably about three to 4 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. I had a good enough time to use the clip-ins, try different styles, flat iron the hair, curl the hair, all of that. So my initial thought, Milo, really? So when I first got the clip-ins, I noticed that it was more of like a 1B, and I wanted to dye my hair jet black. That was my plan. So I dyed my hair jet black and then the clip-ins jet black. I did notice that the clip-ins didn't really hold the color that well. As I was washing it, it was just washing away, so it didn't hold as well as I thought it would, especially like basing it off of other bundles that I've had in the past. But it still held somewhat of a color, like it's a lot darker than what it was when I first got the clip-ins. Second thing is I shampooed them, and I conditioned them, and I flat ironed, blow dried, just like I would do my hair. And the clip-ins held up very, very well. In the past, I have learned that you can really tell the quality of the hair once you shampoo it. Just letting you guys know, like, that's how I can tell if this hair is gonna be good or not, is if I shampoo it. Now, I don't shampoo the clip-ins every time. I will do like a co-wash instead, unless I have a lot of product on the clip-ins and it's very like oily and greasy, then I will go ahead and use a shampoo. But the clip-ins held up well. Another thing that I noticed about the clip-ins, when I first got them done, I actually went to a shop and got my hair silk pressed. And I also got her to install the clip-ins and curl the clip-ins with my hair as well. And it turned out gorgeous. It was amazing. She did such an amazing job. And so when she did curl the hair lasted about, I think curled, it lasted about maybe 3 days, where there was still somewhat of a curl to my hair, but I've noticed that she used hairspray, so the curls really hold better when you use hairspray. But overall, I love these clip-ins. They're amazing. They look so good and close to the texture of my hair, and I love that. This time around, having clip-ins that match like my silk press is just great, and these clip-ins are it. I've had no complaints about this hair. It hasn't gotten stiff. You guys, that's the main thing. If the hair is getting stiff, I don't want it. I am like done. But this hair, no stiffness, no nothing. I can literally move my head. The curls are moving with me. I can put my head like this. It's not sticking up. You know what I'm talking about. So overall, thank you, CurlsQueen, for partnering with me in this video, for gifting these clip-ins. I really love them. They're just bomb. I'm clip-ins for an everyday use, and I've been wearing these clip-ins every day, you guys. And I don't know, I just think that they are a really good brand. I haven't had no complaints. And I just think that if you're looking for clip-ins to match your textured hair, they have a lot of different textures for you, and I think you guys would really love them. So I will link everything down in the description below. If I have a discount code, I will get it in the description box below, as well as the texture that I have, the inches that I have. I will have all the information on these clip-ins in the description below. So thank you again to CurlsQueen for just partnering with me in this video and gifting me these amazing clip-ins, because I love them, and it's just elevating my look, and I'm able to look cute every day and not have to worry about, you know, trying to like get my hair to blend and all of that. It's just a seamless blend with these clip-ins. So thank you again, CurlsQueen, for partnering with me in this video. That concludes the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for tuning in. And make sure you guys check everything in the description box below. And without further ado, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles.